In today's class, we will discuss about shortcut method 3 for hybridization. Hybridization H equals to half into V plus M minus C plus A. So that term V stands for what? V, valency of central atom. M, monovalent atom. C, charge of cation. A, charge of anion. Equals to half into V, valency of central atom. So valency is nothing but it's a group number. Carbon group number is 4 plus M means monovalent atom. So here hydrogen belongs to monovalency. So 4 number of monovalent atoms are there. 4 minus C. Minus C stands for what? Charge of cation. So here 0 plus A. A means what? Charge of anion. So here there is no negative one, there is no positive charge. For both cationic and anionic species, we will take 0 and 0. Okay. So here half into 4 plus 4 minus 0 plus 0. So 4 plus 4, 8. 8 by 2, 4. 4 means sp3 hybridization. Next, ammonia. NH3, nitrogen, group number 5, half into 5 plus monovalent atoms are 3 minus charge of cation 0, charge of anion 0. So 5 plus 3, 8. 8 by 2, 4. If the resultant number is 4 means sp3 hybridization. H2O, half into oxygen group number 6 plus monovalency 2, charge of cation 0, charge of anion 0, half into 6 plus 2, 8. 8 by 2 means what? 4. 4 means sp3 hybridization. BCl3, boron group number 3 plus chlorine valency 1. So total monochlorines 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 by 2, 3. 3 resultant number means what? sp2 hybridization. SnCl2, half into tin group number is 4. 4 plus monovalency 2 atoms. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 by 2, 3. 3 means sp2 hybridization. SnCl4 stannic chloride half into till group number is 4 plus monovalent atoms are 4 plus 4 0 because for all these charge of cation 0, charge of anion also 0. So these are neutral molecules. So 4 plus 4. So now this is what? Half into 8. 8 means 4. 4 means sp3 hybridization. POCl3. Phosphorus is the central atom. Half into phosphorus group number 5 plus monovalent atoms are oxygen is divalency, so no need to calculate. Chlorine is monovalency, so 3 number minus charge of cation 0, charge of anion also 0. So 5 plus 3 8, 8 by 2 4. 4 means sp3 hybridization. For example, for cationic species, ammonium cation, for this hybridization H equals to half into nitrogen group number is 5, monovalent atoms are, hydrogen is monovalency, so now here 4 minus charge of cation, so positive charge, so how many units are there? 1 unit, so minus 1, next plus charge of anion 0. Now 5 plus 4 8, 8 minus 1, sorry 5 plus 4 9, 9 minus 1 8, so 8 by 2 4. 4 means sp3 hybridization. H3O plus hydronium ion half into oxygen group number 6 plus monovalent atoms are 3, charge of cation 1 unit minus 1 plus anionic charge 0, 6 plus 3 9, 9 minus 1 8, so here 8 by 2. 4 means sp3 hybridization. XeF3 xenon trifluoride cation half into xenon group number 8 plus monovalent atoms are 3, fluorine is 7th group element, 8 minus 7 1, so valency 1, total 3 number. Next charge of cation plus 1, charge of anion 0, 8 plus 3 11, 11 minus 1 10, so 10 by 2 means what? 5. If it is 5, sp3d. I3 plus half into, among all the 3 iodines, one of the iodine atom is acting as central atom and remaining 2 of them surrounding atoms. Half into one of the central atom group number is 7 plus iodine valency 1. So if you remove one iodine, so remaining two iodines are we need to consider as surrounding atoms. 2. Charge of cation 1 unit minus 1. Charge of anion 0. 7 plus 2 9. 9 minus 1 8. So 8 by 2 4. sp3 hybridization. NO plus half into nitrogen group number 5 plus monovalency 0. Charge of cation plus minus 1. Charge of anion 0. 5 minus 1 4. 4 by 2 2 means sp hybridization. ICl2 plus half into iodine group number 7, chlorine group number 7, so 8 minus 7 1, so monovalency 2 minus charge of cation 1, charge of anion 0. 7 plus 2 9. 9 minus 1 8. 8 by 2. sp3 hybridization. Sulfate anion half into sulfur group number 6th group 6 plus monovalency 0 atoms. Oxygen is a divalency, so here 0. Charge of cation 0 plus charge of anion. So here anionic charge is what? Minus 2. So 2 units we need to add. 6 plus 2 8. 8 by 2 4. 4 means sp3 hybridization. CO3 2 minus half into carbon group number 4 plus monovalency 0 minus charge of cation, so there is no positive charge 0. Charge of anion 2 units of anionic charge plus 2 half into 4 plus 2 6. 6 by 2 3. 3 means sp2 hybridization. NH2 minus half into nitrogen group number 5 plus hydrogen valency 1, so total monovalency 2. Charge of cation 0. Charge of anion 1. Okay, so half into 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 1 8. 8 by 2 4. sp3 hybridization. NH2 minus half into 5 plus monovalency 1 atom. Charge of cation 0. Charge of anion 2. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 by 2, 4. 4 means sp3 hybridization. ClO4 minus. Chlorine group number 7. Monovalent atoms are 0. Charge of cation 0. Charge of anion -1. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 by 2. 4. 4 means sp3 hybridization. ClO3 minus chlorate anion half into valency of chlorine or group number of chlorine 7 plus monovalent atoms are 0. Charge of cation 0. Charge of anion 1. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 by 2, 4. 4 means sp3 hybridization. PO4 minus 3. Phosphorus group number or valence of phosphorus 5. Half into 5 plus monovalent atoms 0. Charge of cation 0. Charge of anion 3. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 by 2, 4. sp3 hybridization. I3 minus half into one of the iodine should be acting as central atom. So central atom iodine group number is 7 plus monovalent atoms. So if you remove one iodine, remaining two iodines are acting as monovalent. So two monovalent atoms minus charge of cation 0, charge of anion 1. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 by 2, 5. 5 means what? sp3 dehybridization. sp3 dehybridization. So like that, we need to consider all the molecular hybridization in simple way.